Hello, this is Dr. Mark Weierman, and this will be an overview of the hypothalamus and its relationship with the anterior and posterior pituitary gland. Another name for the posterior pituitary gland is the neurohypophysis, and another name for the anterior pituitary gland is the adenohypophysis. The hypothalamus communicates with the neurohypophysis and the adenohypophysis differently. First, let's discuss how the hypothalamus communicates with the neurohypophysis. The hypothalamus is going to use neurosecretory cells to communicate with the neurohypophysis. These cells are going to create two hormones, ADH and oxytocin. ADH is antidiuretic hormone, and it helps the body retain water. ADH also acts on the arterioles throughout the body and causes vasoconstriction. Oxytocin stimulates the contraction of uterine smooth muscle, and it also helps with ejection of milk from the mammary glands. Once again, ADH and oxytocin are both made in the hypothalamus, but they're released in the neurohypophysis. The hypothalamus communicates with the anterior pituitary gland differently. It uses the hypophyseal portal system. This portal system shunts blood from the hypothalamus directly to the anterior pituitary gland. The hypothalamus will use neurosecretory cells to communicate with the anterior pituitary gland. They will release regulatory hormones into this capillary network or into this portal system to tell the anterior pituitary what to do. These hormones can either be releasing hormones or inhibitory hormones. There are 6 hormones released from the anterior pituitary gland. You can use the mnemonic flat pig to remember them all. First you have follicle-stimulating hormone, then luteinizing hormone, and then adrenocorticotropic hormone, then thyroid-stimulating hormone, then prolactin, and then the I, you just ignore it, and then G is going to be growth hormone. We'll finish with a very brief overview of these hormones. FSH and LH have target organs of the gonads. LH stimulates the production of sex hormones by the gonads, and FSH stimulates the production of sperm and eggs. ACTH has a target organ of the adrenal glands, and it helps produce cortisol. TSH goes to the thyroid, and it helps stimulate the thyroid hormones, T3 and T4. The target organ for prolactin are the mammary glands, and it helps promote milk production. Growth hormone has a target organ of liver, bone, and muscles, and it helps overall growth. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you.